In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a hotel booking website in Wix. If you've ever wanted an easy and engaging way to showcase your hotel business online, Wix provides a user-friendly platform perfect for creating an attractive website. Let's dive in and get started, shall we? The first thing you'll need to do is head to the Wix website. Wix is known for its intuitive web building tools, ideal for beginners and experienced developers alike. So once you're on the Wix homepage, look for the option that says Create New Site. This is where the magic begins, as you'll be setting the foundations for your hotel booking website. When you click Create New Site, you'll be asked to choose from a variety of templates. Scroll until you find the Studio template. This is generally a versatile setup that can be customized to suit your specific business needs. It's in the Studio template section where you'll type hotel booking into the search bar. This comes in handy because it helps Wix filter through templates that are specifically designed for the hospitality industry, making your life a lot easier by presenting you with pre-designed options that cater to the functionalities you'll likely need. Select a template that appeals to you that represents the style and tone of your hotel. They're all visually appealing, but choose one that aligns with your brand ethos. Once you've decided, click on the template to edit it. This will add it to your page, giving you a comprehensive framework on which you can start building your site. Now that the template is added to your page, here's where the fun begins: customization. Wix's drag and drop feature makes it incredibly easy to personalize your website. Feel free to adjust any aspects such as images, text boxes, and layout styles. This part is all about making the website your own, so don't hesitate to infuse your brand's personality into it. This not only includes visuals, but also the written content. Ensure the messaging resonates with your target audience. Once you've landed on a design and layout that you're happy with, it's time to focus on the fonts and colors. This step is crucial for maintaining a consistent brand aesthetic. Make sure the font styles are easily readable and that the colors not only look good, but are in line with your branding. If needed, Wix offers plenty of resources and guides for picking harmonious color schemes if you're unsure. Finally, after all the customization is complete and your website truly feels like an authentic extension of your business, it's time to click that Publish button. Publishing your site means it's now live and accessible to your audience, a big step in sharing your hotel's story with the world. There you have it. You've successfully created a stunning hotel booking website on Wix that represents your business exactly the way you envisioned it. Remember, you can always go back and make changes as your business grows and evolves. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.